So hey guys, in this video we are actually going to talk about how you can install PixelOS GSI. So to install that, it's very basic. You need few things, which is first is that your device should support Treble. So Treble is a type of distribution of partition which allows you to install another OS on a separate partition which is separate from your current OS you're using. So you need that, and to do so you can actually go and download this apk called a Treble Check. So this was available on Play Store, but it's now not there anymore. So I'll put the GitHub link down so you can just check there. You can download it from the description. So once you have got the project Treble supported, you can move ahead. And the next thing you need is an unlocked bootloader. Your device bootloader should be unlocked, or you should have root. So either you can have unlocked bootloader or you can have root. So moving forward from here, what you have to do is you have to get this app called as DSU Loader. So this is the DSU Loader app, and in this we have to actually click, and when you will set up it for the first time, it will ask you to create another folder which will be, I made it as GSI so that where it can store all your data. So once that's done, what you do is you go and select a file to be installed. So I select over there, then I go in over here. This is a PixelOS GSI, and I'll be putting the link. So I'll just select this, and now it shows me the option to install. So once you click on install, here you can see user data size is 2 GB. You can actually select it on the basis what you want. You can select it as 5. It will give you 5 GB of user data storage. So before you do it, there are few things. This is not an actual system. What we are doing is we are actually using the other partition to install a temporary OS. Once you discard the system, every single changes whatever you have done will be lost. You won't be able to get it back. It's like doing a factory reset, and then you have to again install if you want to use that. So what we are here doing is we are actually doing it so that we can test out GSIs. GSIs are never stable for any device. Like at current, I'm using a UN1CA ROM for my Samsung A34, and it is very stable. I've been daily driving it and made a video on it. Will be uploading it soon. So this will be a bit different because GSIs are like a generic system image which you or anyone can use on their device. It is not a device specific thing. So if you are planning to use it as a daily driver, that will be a very not so recommended thing. Like on my device, there is a problem with calling and messaging, and then there is an issue with internet. So yeah, there are certain issues which you will face with GSI. Maybe your modem not supported, your Wi-Fi is not supported, your Bluetooth not supported. You can fix it. So that is the issue. So if you want to use it, you can try it using the DSU loader, and then you can install it completely for your device. So what you have to do, let's get back to this, and here you go into DSU, you selected the file and you click on install. So once you proceed, this is the extraction part, and this will take a while. So it can take anywhere from 5 to 10 to maybe 15 minutes based on your device. Mine, it will just extract the XZ file and then it will prepare the system. So that takes approximately 4-5 minutes. Guys, once your installation is up over here, you will get an option as return and show command. So what you have to do over here is you have to just click there. You have to see what the command is. I have already copied the command, and what you have to do is you have to come into your settings, click here and go to about. Once you are in about, you have to go over to software information, and in software information you have to find build. You have to tap there, and if you tap 7 times, it will show you that you have become a developer. Now once you are here, you'll see an option called as developer option. Go in there and scroll down all the way to USB debugging. Enable this USB debugging, and what you have to do is you have to connect your device. You have to take your device and connect it to your PC. Yeah, you just connect your device to the PC, and now on the PC screen I'll show you. You have to go in your platform tools folder, and in the platform tools on the top bar you have to type here CMD. Once you have done that, you have to write there ADB devices, and once you click that, you'll see on your device you'll get something like this. Allow USB debugging your computer RSA key. You have to click here always allow this computer and hit allow. You can skip always allowing it. So once you have done that, you have to again type over here USB devices ADB devices, and you will see your device serial number and it shows that it's connected. So once you have done, you have to copy the command. Once you have got the code copied, you have to paste it over here and hit enter. So now, once you have done that, you will see on your device, it shows that the dynamic system update, and you have to either use your fingerprint or you can enter your PIN. I'll just use my fingerprint. So now once you have got your device, and you can see over here, it shows that the dynamic system update is ready, and what you have to do is either you can go with discard, which will completely erase your dynamic system, or you can, and if you want to go into the system, you have to click over here restart. So this will restart your device to that system, and this can take a while because it's sort of like a new system boot. So we'll let that boot up and I'll catch you once it's started. So now you can see our device has booted up and it clearly shows welcome to your Pixel. So it's not definitely a Samsung. And here you can see this is our Pixel. So yeah, it got the entire Pixel theme and everything you can see over here. It got all the Google apps, everything working. So once you are in your settings, you can see I'll scroll down all the way and I can go into about device, and it shows the device name is AOSP, and over here you can see that it is PixelOS 16, and I'll show you the Android version as well. You can see over here the Android version is 16 as well, with the security patch of 5th June. So yeah, I got a request from one of my subscriber who went like, yeah, can I somehow download Pixel or install Pixel on my device? So here you are, like you can see all the animations and everything are fluid. Your device can have specific issues. You have got everything. You can set up, you can make calls, you can give messages, you can even log into your Play Store. So yeah, the once that's done, if you want to go back to your original system, that is, for me it's Samsung One UI. So what I have to do is, you can see a notification over here as dynamic system update. Dynamic system, current system is a dynamic system, so you have to restart to go back to your original Android version. So you click over here restart and your device goes off. Now it will boot back into the One UI. So yeah, we will see the boot up screen soon. Yeah, you can see right now, of course I have an unlocked bootloader, so it gives me warning, and there will be a video on it soon about how to get rid of these warnings. So here you go, this will just boot into the Samsung One UI and we'll go from there. So here you can see my device is just started up, and yeah, you have to just wait for a few seconds for everything to get normalized, and you'll see a notification in your notification panel in few seconds. So yeah, just wait for some time. So now I've got the notification, and you can see here it shows that the dynamic system is again ready, and yeah, the device started up. So you can see over here the dynamic system is now ready. To start using it again, you can go back by clicking restart, and if you hit discard, it will just get rid of the entire system now. So once when I'm again in DSU installer, you can see I have to again select the image and do the entire process. So yeah, if you like this video, thank you, and consider subscribing, and please share my video because I've been working really hard to make each one of them. And regarding the bootloader unlocked issue, I will be making video on that, and for the one UI, it's going live really soon. So thank you for watching.